Hey everyone, Carl Sandquist here with Italy Workshops. Today we're in the stunning Val di Funes in the Dolomites, one of the most breathtaking landscapes in Italy. This valley, with its rolling green fields, charming alpine village, and the jagged peaks of the Odole Mountains, is a dream location for landscape photographers. Let's take a look at how I approach this scene and how I transform the raw capture into a print-worthy image. When I arrived, I knew I wanted to emphasize the warm glow of the afternoon light as it danced across the valley, leading the eye to the iconic church and the dramatic mountain peaks. I framed the shot with a strong foreground to create depth, using the vibrant autumn foliage as a natural anchor. The challenge here was balancing the bright sky with the darker foreground shadows while keeping the natural atmosphere intact. Let's now go behind the scenes to see my post-processing steps, from the original camera raw to the final print-ready image. The first step was to prepare the raw file, making sure I retained as much detail as possible. I started with a flat profile, keeping the highlights under control while preserving shadow detail. This gives me maximum flexibility for later adjustments. Since the scene had a strong contrast between the bright sky and darker foreground, I carefully balanced the exposure, making sure no details were lost. I used selective adjustments to enhance the natural light without making the image look overprocessed. One of my favorite parts of editing is shaping the light to guide the viewer's eye. I subtly brightened the church and sunlit areas while adding depth to the shadows, keeping the mood warm and inviting. To bring out the rich autumn tones and crisp mountain textures, I fine-tuned the color balance, ensuring the greens, golds, and blues complemented each other. A touch of glow in the highlights helps give the scene that magical golden hour atmosphere. And that's the final image. Want to improve your landscape photography or simply get started with the craft? Join us at Italy Workshops and experience these stunning locations firsthand. That's it for this one. See you next time.